Imagine waking up, no alarm clock stress, no boss calling, no fixed office, just you, your laptop, and complete freedom. That's what freelancing can do. 1. Freedom over routine. Traditional jobs lock your life into a schedule. 9 to 5 routine. Same place every day. Limited time, freedom. But freelancing changes that completely. Now you decide when you work, where you work, how you work. 2. Work from anywhere. With freelancing, your office is wherever you want. Your home, a cafe, a travel destination, even your bed. All you need is skill plus internet. 3. Income without limits. In a job, your salary is fixed, but in freelancing, your income grows with your skill. More experience equals higher pay. More clients equals more earnings. There is no ceiling, only growth. 4. You become your own boss. No manager, no permission needed, no waiting for approval. You control everything. Projects you take, clients you work with, prices you set. That's real independence. 5. Lifestyle transformation. Freelancing doesn't just change your job, it changes your lifestyle. More time for family, more time for yourself, more freedom to explore life. Work becomes a choice, not a pressure. 6. Reality check. But let's be honest, freelancing is not magic. You need skill, consistency, patience. But once it works, your life changes completely. Freelancing isn't just a way to earn money, it's a way to design your own life. And once you experience that freedom, you never want to go back.